I've been playing guitar for over 30 years. Whoa. And teaching music in the public school system for almost 20 years. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the best tips and tricks I picked up along the way to help you in your guitar journey. My name is Rob Reed. Let's get into it. There is so much information out there when it comes to learning guitar, and the internet seems like an endless black hole. Well, today I put together a collection of quick tips that have helped me and showed me the most progress. I want to share them with you so that you can learn and progress as fast as possible too. Let's dive in. When buying your first guitar, get one with a solid top. It's just going to sound better, respond better, and be more resonant. When buying guitar strings, get coated strings like elixirs. They're going to last way longer and sound way better, and get 12s for size. Green Tortex are great for picking, and yellow Tortex are great for strumming. When first learning how to change chords, put your first finger down first, second finger down second, third finger down third, and do that pattern every time. First, second, third, first, second, third. It'll be slow at first, but eventually you'll just drop them down automatically, all at the same time. The more passionate you are about the instrument and the music, the faster you'll learn. When first learning, your fingers will hurt and go numb. When learning fingerstyle, thumb always plays the top 3 bass strings, first finger always plays the G string, second finger always plays the B string, third finger always plays the high E string. You don't have to be able to read music at all to play the guitar. Focus on learning songs and riffs. You'll have the most fun, you'll learn technique, and you'll stay motivated. When you're jamming with friends or in a band and someone takes a solo and you're providing rhythm behind them, play quietly, support them, don't overpower them. If you're in a band situation and playing guitar, listen to yourself 20% and listen to the rest of the band 80%. Be aware. Play with dynamics. When picking, pick up and down on the string. When soloing, just use the major scale, but don't hang out on the 4th note too much. Use the pentatonic scale sometimes. When learning how to play the guitar, learn with a friend. You'll learn way faster and it'll be way more enjoyable. When first learning how to play the guitar, learn from a good book. I highly recommend the Complete Guitar Player series. When first learning how to strum, hold the pick as light as possible, to the point where you're almost dropping it. And when learning how to strum, just use down strums on the beat. Then add your up strums when you feel comfortable. And when you're up strumming, just hook the pick lightly on the way up. Don't turn your wrist, just keep it in the same position. Learn all the notes on the entire fretboard and understand how the guitar neck is laid out. And my book, Unlocking the Fretboard, can help you with that. And you don't have to play bar chords. There's easier ways around them. Check out this video for an easier way to play the B minor chord. See you in the next one.